Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find who shared my reels or your reels on Instagram. So if you want to go and find out those people who shared your specific reels on Instagram, I will show you in this tutorial. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application and then log into your preferred account. Now once you're already here, just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And now just swipe to the right to go to your Reels section. Let's open it up. And you should see the option basically view the number of shares that you have on your Reels. Now as of the current update, this is the only specific thing that we can actually view, or the specific metric that we could actually view about our shares on our Reels. As you see, we doesn't have any person who shared our Reel currently, but if anyone shares your Reel, you can find here. We can only view the number of people who shared our reels, but not necessarily the exact profile of who shared our reel. So that is current limitation, and if you want to go ahead and have the future to view who shared your reels, so that may be an update coming in the next update of Instagram. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.